What's going on, guys? I'm Alex from Avid Tech, and we're back with another video. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 3 cool tech items you can get for under $50. First item on the list is going to be this multifunction keyboard cleaning brush from Hagibis. You might say, oh, this looks simple, I don't need it, blah, blah, blah. If you have a keyboard computer setup, any kind of desk setup with monitors and all that good stuff, this is definitely an essential tool. It's not just a brush with the nice soft bristles that go across keyboards, monitors, monitor stands, anything like that to kind of clean off dust or anything. But it also separates, as you can see here, where it has your slot cleaning bristle here, and then it also opens up again and has another one to get in between those keyboard caps and tight spaces to get dirt and debris out from in between your keyboard. So definitely helpful, definitely useful tool for that. Very, very nice, lightweight item. Comes right in about 15 to 16 bucks on Amazon or through their Hagibis store as well. Again, link will be in the description below. So again, make sure you keep your area nice and cleaned off, dusted off and everything, so you're staying away from dust particles, dirt, anything like that on your setup with this 4-in-1 multifunction cleaning brush. Next on the list, we have this touch-controlled bedside lamp. This bedside lamp features 2 USB-A ports and 2-prong outlets on either side of the lamp for easy access for chargers, various accessories that you may want to plug in at night. There are a lot of these kind of dimmable, touchable lamps out there, but this one right here, again, the link in the description below, this one right here is just under 25 bucks. So definitely get you one if you're looking for something that's easy and nice and compact, but still able to give you access to charge your phones, and whatever else you might need to charge, iPads, alarm clocks, things like that to plug in at night. So definitely look forward to that. And again, the description will be in the link below. Last item on the list we have today is something a little bit different. It's the Wick Essential Mist Diffuser. This is a small, sleek, compact device that is battery powered that you can basically change the settings to your liking. So it has 3 different settings, 3 different modes: low, medium, and high. Low being a 4-second burst, 5-second burst for the medium, and then obviously the 6-second burst would be the high setting. So 8 hours on, 16 hours off, and the fragrance just does its thing in any living space. In my experience, I've been able to get about a month to a month and a half out of a scent before the low refill indicator says it's time to change out. But I mean, it obviously depends on the setting. I use the medium and the high setting, depending on which room the device is in. So if you're wanting a good smelling room, I suggest getting the Wick Essential Mist Diffuser. Again, I'll have the link in the description below, but the starter kit, which I'm going to link, comes under 17 bucks, just under 17 bucks on Amazon. So definitely check that out. That's a great product. It comes with the lavender and the almond blossom scent, I believe, in the starter kit, but there's a bunch of other scents you can get for refills. So definitely check that out. Like I said, link in the description below. That'll do it for today's video. If you made it to the end, I appreciate you guys. Make sure you don't leave the video without giving it a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe if you're new to the channel, as I'm always trying to post more. Make sure you comment below what your favorite tech item of today's video was, and then obviously what I should look at reviewing or doing a couple videos on as well in the comments below. What would you like to see me do for the channel? So anyways, we'll see you on the next one. This will do it for today's video. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.